Could your kitchen hold the secret to beating heart disease? Let's uncover the truth about fats and heart health. With heart disease, a leading killer, and rising obesity rates in Malaysia, our diets are under the spotlight. So, how can we turn the tide? Ever heard of cardioprotective diet? It is a type of diet that can help reduce the risk of cardiovascular disease by incorporating foods rich in good fats, fibers, and antioxidants like those found in the Mediterranean and Okinawa diets. Is proven to reduce cardiovascular mortality. All oils are not born equal. Moving away from saturated fat in palm and coconut oils to heart-healthy options like olive, canola, soya bean, and sesame oils can make a huge difference. These oils belong to two good types of fat known as monounsaturated fatty acid, MUFA, and polyunsaturated fatty acid, PUFA. Meat fiber, the unsung hero of heart health. Soluble fiber found in oats, fruits, and vegetables acts like a sponge for cholesterol. Fiber helps lower cholesterol, keeping your heart running smoothly, and balancing diet with lifestyle is key. An active life is a heart-healthy life. Combining heart-healthy food with regular exercise enhance your heart strength and resilience. It doesn't matter if it's yoga, walking, or cycling. Moving more is the key.